Understanding Bear Canister, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a unique but essential term for outdoor enthusiasts, the bear canister. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just curious about outdoor adventures, understanding this term is crucial for safety and environmental preservation. So, let's dive in and unpack what a bear canister is all about. A bear canister is a specialized container designed to store food and other scented items safely while you're in the wilderness. These canisters are bear-resistant, meaning they are tough enough to withstand attempts by bears to open them. The primary purpose of a bear canister is to protect both you and the bears. By securing your food, you're not only keeping yourself safe from bear encounters but also preventing bears from becoming accustomed to human food, which can be harmful to their health and behavior. Using a bear canister is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it's about safety. In areas where bears are common, minimizing the risk of an encounter is crucial for your well-being. Secondly, it's about protecting wildlife. When bears learn that humans are a source of food, they can become a danger to people and often have to be relocated or euthanized. Lastly, in many national parks and wilderness areas, using a bear canister is legally required to preserve the natural behavior of wildlife and ensure the safety of all visitors. When selecting a bear canister, consider its size, weight, and ease of use. The size depends on the length of your trip and the amount of food you need to store. Remember, it's not just about food. All scented items like toothpaste or soap should also go into the canister. Look for a lightweight model that doesn't add too much weight to your pack. Lastly, make sure you can easily open and close the canister, but remember, it should be tough enough that a bear can't do the same. That's all on bear canisters. Remember, using a bear canister is a responsible practice that ensures your safety and the welfare of wildlife. We hope this video has been informative and helps you prepare for your next outdoor adventure. Stay safe, respect wildlife, and happy hiking!